Want to shake your cocktails like a pro, but worried you might shower your guests with drink while shaking? Don't fret, the classic two-piece Boston shaker is less intimidating than it looks. Start by pouring your measured ingredients into the mixing glass. Then add some ice. Tap the shaker tin on top at a slight angle, creating a seal betwixt the glass and tin. See, it's sealed. Now carefully pick it up, turning it around so the tin is on the bottom and glass on the top. And wrap your fingers at the ends to keep the shaker steady and ready for action. Now go ahead and shake it. Pretend you're doing the conga. You'll know it's ready when the tin feels frosty. Now remove the glass from the top. A little wiggle should help. But gadzooks, it appears to be stuck. Well, why not try this trick? Hold the shaker like so, supporting the glass and tin with your fingers, and use the palm of your other hand to give the shaker a short and sharp whack. This breaks the seal. Now remove the glass and get straining. Pop a hawthorn strainer on top of the shaker tin. Use a finger to hold it down, and the rest of your hand to lift the tin to pour. And there you have it. You've conquered the Boston shaker. Tipplesworth. Cases full of cocktail fun.